Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos. Alright guys, so in the video today we are actually going to be unboxing and doing a nail look using this TOBEGLAM polygel kit. This is a brand new company, just came out. I am an affiliate with them, so I am an ambassador. They're kind of like the McCart and Model 1s and all of them out there. Now, this company, I'm going to put up a little video of me showing you the website. They do not have a whole lot on the website at the moment, but they do have this polygel kit. They do have some foils. They have foil glue. They have some dual forms, and I'm not sure if that's it. I think that's just about all they have. Oh, plus their base and top coat, but I think that comes in this kit. So I'm gonna throw the price on the screen for the kit, plus you get 10% off if you use my code. My code, I believe, is babygirlnails10. I think it's babygirlnails10. I'll put it on the screen. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. We're gonna do it like I normally do. Fast forward, add some music, do voiceover, and I'll see you guys in a few seconds. So here we go. Let's get started. Alright, so here is the TOBEGLAM Take Me Home polygel box. This is the box it came in. Absolutely adorable. When you open it up, on the inside of the box it says "Hello Gorgeous," and it's gorgeous. It's got lollipops, hearts, candy canes, just really cute. And then I have this cute little envelope that has like your instruction manual. It has where you can follow them. I believe they're on Instagram and Facebook. And then they also have a website. And then they do offer this kit on Amazon as well. Right here is their email, their Instagram, and Facebook if you guys want to follow them. And then they give you some notes. And then also how to use the dual forms. Really nice. Very professional. I really like the way this box is set up. It does have a styrofoam, to keep it all nice and tidy. You get a lamp, a little freeze cure lamp, flash cure lamp, whatever you want to say. It's pink, and it comes with a cord. Actually, I am throwing that in my giveaway coming up at 50K, guys. You get dual forms, 2 different sizes, but you guys can go check out my dual form playlist right there, where I have used both of these dual forms. So I will link that playlist in the cards at the top of the screen. Alright, so going on further in the kit, you get the 100-180 grit file, brush, and spatula, and everything is pink. It's so cute. You get your top and your base coat. Now tell me guys, doesn't this remind you of McCart? This is a 15 ml bottle. There's the directions. I was showing you everything that is in the all the ingredients. You get these adorable little tubes. Now they are only 15 ml. I wish they were bigger sizes, but unfortunately they are not. Alright, and then I also got the TOBEGLAM Clear Polygel. This is 60 ml, 2 ounces, and that will be in an upcoming video. Here are the ingredients, just so you guys know. I'm going to put that in my Clear Polygel video. So I'm using the brand new ENAIL COUTURE 5XL. I'm going in with the cuticle oil to try the pop-off method. Now this is only going to work, now that I know, it only works for like the first day. So instead of using a base coat, I do go in with a top coat. And I'm not using the TOBEGLAM top coat because I didn't want to ruin it by putting oil in it. Alright, oh she pretty. This is the first color. This is the purple. Sweet Talk is the second color. A very nice light pink. You're My Queen is the third color. And this is a shimmery pink. Pretty Much is a glittery shimmer pink. Just in Pink, of course, is just pink. And then Pure is clear. And it actually looks pretty nice. But again, guys, that video will come soon. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so yeah, there they are. Gorgeous. So now we're going to get started on the nails. Like I said, I'm using the 5XL by ENAIL Couture. They are pre-etched, so you don't have to do anything. I have my isopropyl alcohol ready, and I'm going right in at the tip of the nail, putting that polygel at the tip, and then spreading it down almost to the cuticle, but not to the cuticle. I would say a little more than halfway. I go in with a second color because that pink one was really, really light, and I just wanted to kind of like ombre the two. It didn't really ombre that well, guys, so yeah, you'll see. But anyway, you do want to make sure you still have that nice C-curve when you're putting polygel underneath the nail. So make sure it's thin, but not too thick, but nice and smooth in the center. Make sure that it goes up one side wall to the other, because if you don't, you're going to have missing spots, and it's not going to look good. Which I did have a couple, but it's really hard to see them. So there you go. Once you get it about right there, you're going to do a flash cure, and then you continue doing the other tips. And you can actually set them aside and put them on tomorrow or the next day or the next day. Alright, again, I go in at the top of the nail where the tip is and pull that polygel down, spreading it from one side to the other, making sure it covers the whole underside of that nail, but not going all the way to the cuticle. Now, I will have to say, I love these new 5XLs. I love them. And I do have a comparison on them. If you have not saw that, please do so. I will link it in the cards. Again, going in with this beautiful pink. The polygel worked very nicely. Like I said, it reminded me of McCart's polygel. I had no problems whatsoever using alcohol to maneuver it around. It wasn't too thick, it wasn't too soft, it wasn't too hard. It was very, very nice. Now I love this color here. This color was so, so pretty. Again, it reminds me of McCart because of the shimmer. So gorgeous. I cannot wait until they come out with more kits. So guys, don't forget, you can take advantage of my 10% off code. It is Baby Girl Nails 10. Alright, we're going into the last nail now. Again, just smoothing that polygel down. Smooth it down, just make sure you don't go all the way to the cuticle, and then do a freeze cure. Once those are all freeze cure, once you have a freeze cure on all of them, it's time to apply. So now you're going to go in with your cuticle bead. You don't want this to be too much. Just a little bead is all you need. Spread it out nice and even. Make sure you cover any of those spots. Flip it over. Make sure your nails are prepped and ready. And at a 45-degree angle, you're going to apply it onto your nail, pressing down until it gets to your free edge, and then flash cure it. And then voila! It is on there, baby. It's not going nowhere. Alright, again, in with the cuticle bead. Smoothing it down. Going from one side to the other. You don't need a whole lot for this part. It takes one little tiny cuticle bead. Now, if the nails are sculpted, you will need a little bit more polygel, but not a whole lot. Again, onto the nail until you feel it touch the free edge and cure. And I have to say, overall, I really enjoyed this kit. I cannot wait to try the clear. I do use the clear in this video, but I use it to apply the stones, or I should say the chunky charms. I also want to include that this was a subscriber request. Someone requested me using the chunky charms that I got in a haul, or that I showed in a haul from AliExpress. So we are using those chunky charms. So last nail going in with the cuticle bead. Press it down, make sure it's still nice and smooth. Still got that nice curve. It's not too thick. If it is too thick, you'll have it gushing all over your cuticle, and you don't want that. Now it's time to do a 60-second cure. File, shape, and buff. Shape, file, buff. Now here are the chunky charms I got from AliExpress. And then I also got some AB rhinestones. I'm going to throw in the tip of the nails. Going in with the Pure from TOBEGLAM. This is their clear. You're going to put a little bit of that at the top by the cuticle, or wherever you're going to put your chunky charm. Apply top coat right on top of that. And then down the nail. And then you're going to apply the charm right on top of the clear poly gel with the top coat. So I freeze cure it, keep it in place. Once again, take the clear poly gel, put it where you want the chunky charm. Take top coat, put the top coat over that, and then top coat the nail. Really easy. That way you don't have to go back and top coat. Take the charm, press it into the poly gel, and freeze cure it. And we'll do a full cure at the end. Now, with the chunky charms, there's no way of getting around them pulling your hair out. They will do that. So, if you're going to wear these for longer than like a week, I don't know what to tell you. They're probably going to pull your hair. These I just wanted to do and have fun with. I did not wear them. I popped them off after the video. This is just for fun. I would probably not wear them out, like maybe for one day, like out, but not for a week or so. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just wouldn't be practical. Now, some ladies do, and that's cool too. I mean, but I know they would pull my hair, and I just probably wouldn't be able to sleep either. So anyway, after you applied all your charms, then I go in again with a little more top coat, and then I'm going to apply the AB rhinestones, like I said, at the tip of the nails. So right here, go in with a little more top coat, just to shine them up a little bit more, and so that the rhinestones will attach to the clear top coat. So I did use the clear top coat to adhere those little rhinestones. I don't suggest using just a clear top coat to adhere rhinestones because they will pop off. But for the video's sake, that's what I used. I am going to be doing a how to apply rhinestone video very soon, guys. I know I said that before. I will be doing it. I've been busy. My apologies. So I put 4 rhinestones on all the nails. And then I do a full 60-second cure. After that, you're going to apply your cuticle oil, which I don't do because, like I said, I end up popping them off. And then that's it. That is going to be the final steps. And then here you go. There is everything that I used. That is the clear that I will be using soon. I couldn't even do this part right here, guys, because they were so... The chunky charms kept getting in the way, so I had to show you guys like this. They're gorgeous. Very beautiful. Perfect shade of pink, and I know that purple would look just as good. The purple that comes in the kit. So let me know what you guys think of this kit. let me know down in the comment section. I will say I thoroughly enjoyed it. I absolutely love it. I had no issues with it. And I give it a 2 thumbs up. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Bye, guys.